Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting everything ready and opening the editor. You need access and assets. Log into the CMS or clone the repo because you will edit live files or a local branch. Once done, upload optimized images and paste headline text into the page template so structure is clear. Make sure to set the URL slug and draft status, then save a version. These actions let you see content placement and avoid layout surprises before deeper edits. You now place and format the content, focusing on readability and semantics. Use H1H3 for hierarchy so search engines and users scan easily, then write concise paragraphs and bullet lists. Next, add images with descriptive alt text for accessibility and set responsive sizes so mobile layout stays clean. Once that's done, insert links and call to action buttons, defining where they go and whether they open in a new tab. Make sure to preview on desktop. You finish by reviewing and publishing with a checklist mindset. Preview the page, run accessibility and spell checks, and click every link. Once satisfied, publish or merge to main, then clear caches so users see updates. If something goes wrong, first inspect the browser console for errors, verify file permissions, and roll back using version history if needed. Make sure to communicate changes to stakeholders and monitor analytics in the first 24 hours to catch any unexpected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.